iOS 18.2, Apple integrated ChatGPT with Apple Intelligence to expand the range of artificial intelligence capabilities accessible to users on supported iPhone models. One skill in particular that you may not know of is the ability to generate images in the Messages app. ChatGPT uses DALL-E to generate the images, which have results almost invariably better than Apple's image playground. GadInsider has compiled a guide on how you can generate images in the Messages app using DALL-E on iPhone. If you have Apple Intelligence enabled on an iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 16, setting up ChatGPT integration requires just a few steps, and you can begin without even having a ChatGPT account. You can begin with a basic setup, upgrading to a connected account later if required. First, open Settings, then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Under Extensions, tap ChatGPT. Toggle on the switch next to Use ChatGPT. When ChatGPT integration is enabled, whenever you invoke Siri, the voice assistant analyzes your request to view if it's something that needs to be answered by ChatGPT. However, you can specify that you want to use ChatGPT by starting a Siri query with ChatGPT. When you're in a Messages conversation and want to express something with an image, tap inside the input field, hold down the side button on your device to rouse Siri, then say something like, ChatGPT, generate an image of a cat reading a book about fish. Give it a few seconds to think, and ChatGPT will drop the image onto the text field, ready for it to be shared in the conversation. If you're happy with the output, just tap the send button to send it on its way. If the image doesn't turn out quite how you hoped, you have a few options. You can tap rewrite, and ChatGPT will regenerate from scratch a new image based on your prompt.